Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. You already know who it is. It's naturally Temi or whatever. But yeah, so I'm really loving this style, and I'm going to show you exactly how I get it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ow! So I started off with freshly washed hair, and I used that on Jackie Seal It Up Hydrating Sealing Butter. Now this is a butter that you can use like for protective styles, but I wanted to use it as a leave-in conditioner. It's really thick in consistency, and I like that for my hair because you guys know with thick hair we need thick butter. So I really like this as a leave-in conditioner. I'm just parting my hair and then brushing that section that I parted, and then I'm going to use the flaxseed don't shrink flaxseed elongating curling gel. Now you guys know, like in my older videos, if you guys have been rocking me for a long time, I stay using Aunt Jackie. So this was a nice brand to revisit, and I really love their elongating curling gel. You guys know that I've always used to use it. I got me a new batch. So we back in action, and a lot of people be like, oh, why don't you use gels anymore? There's some things that I like using gels for, and there's some things that I like using cream based products for. And for styles with flat twist, I've tried both gel and cream based products and come to the conclusion that I need a stronger hold when it comes to flat twist. So gels is going to be my go-to, and they have been my go-to when it comes to flat twist. So that is why I'm using a gel. I just need a stronger hold. So this is basically sped up of me flat twisting. It's pretty self-explanatory. You take a little section, you twist, you grab some, you twist, you grab some. I think it's really easy, but if you guys want a separate tutorial for that, just let me know and I'll try to, create one for you guys. So some of the benefits of flaxseed is it just adds moisture and shine to the hair, so it makes the hair look more healthier. It also strengthens your hair and it removes dandruff. Some people do DIYs, but some things, look, I just gotta buy it already made, and I really feel like this gel really adds moisture. It's not one of those drying gels. You guys know, like when it comes to gels, a lot of us are scared because we don't want our hair to be super dry, but this is one of those gels that actually adds moisture into your hair rather than take out moisture. So it took me about I think 45 minutes, if I'm not mistaken, to put all the flat twists in my hair, and then after that I just left it on to dry. So this is how it looks with it done. And then I'm going to take some bobby pins, because this is a stretch flat twist. I forgot to tell you guys, it's a stretch flat twist out. So I'm taking one side and I'm pulling it as much as I can all the way to the other side to give it as much stress as possible, and then I'm bobby pinning it. The way that it stays is I'll bobby pin it into an X, so two bobby pins going to X on top of each other, and that's the only way it'll stay for me. I can't just like bobby pin it beside each other and think that they'll stay. I have to like secure it like that, and this is how it looks. And I waited about 3 or 4 days. I had to sit under the dryer too, which is why you see that dent in the middle of my forehead, because after 3 days it still wasn't dry, so I had to sit under the dryer for like an hour on high. And now I'm taking out the bobby pins, and this is how it stretched, and it stretched pretty well. Yeah, so my hair is long, y'all. I don't know what to tell you guys. Well, my hair is long. But anyway, so I'm taking out the flat twist, and as you can see, the curls are more waves than curls, and that's just because you stretched it out really far, which gives it, a wavy look. And it's really easy to unravel. I'm not having any problems with tangling, so, keep that in mind. So this is how the first twist unravel looks like. You see that definition, and this is me just unraveling the rest. So this is everything unraveled and separated, and what I'm going to do is first I'm going to try to figure out if I want it to be like a side part, if I want it to be a middle part, but I feel like I'm always wearing side part, so I decided to just go ahead and make this a middle part, and then I'm just going to go ahead and just pick it out just for a little bit of volume. And yeah, after picking it out for volume, this is really it. Like, the curls came out really beautiful. Should I say the waves? So my hair came out really beautiful. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys try this method, if you want to try this method. But yeah, everything will be in the description box below, of course. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.